Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to discuss about writing a C program for finding the largest of two numbers. And to find the largest of two numbers I will be using one of the branching statement, which is if-else statement. And with this video you will come to know how to use if-else statement. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion on finding the largest of two numbers. Since in this program we are expecting user to enter two numbers, that's why when this program gets executed it will ask user to enter two numbers. So now let us first see the output. Okay. When this program gets executed, it asks user to enter the first number. Enter first number. Then user enter any value, let us say 20. Then again it asks the user to enter second number. Then user will enter 15. Okay. Then our program needs to compare both of these values using if-else statement. Then based on that comparison we should display appropriate message like first number is greater or large. So this kind of output we need to display in this program. So now let us start writing this program with the help of this output. So first I will include the header files. Include std io.h. Now since in this program I am expecting two values from the user, that's why I need to create two variables of type integer. Now I will create those two variables, int n1 and n2. Now I will display that message using output function printf. Then I will read that number using input function scanf. And the same print and scanf function I will once again use to accept the second value, semicolon. Now I will check with the if-else statement. If n1, which is this 20, is greater than n2, okay, if n1 is greater than n2, then I will print %d is large, comma n1. That means the variable n1 hold the value 20, and to represent that value 20 here I have used %d. Okay. Else print f, then I will return 0 and then bracket close. Okay. So this is a very simple program where I have shown you how you can use a if-else statement to find the largest of two numbers. Okay. So this is everything about this program. Okay. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions then let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching.